Okay, everyone, here we are at Oalend Coin. I like this coin. I decided to put some money into this one. It's a lending coin, and I was able to put money into it. Didn't lose my money. It's got staking. Okay, there's three things I look for when I look at a coin, whether I want to put money into it or not. Does it have lending? Does it have staking? Does it have burning? One of those three. So this has lending and staking. So I decided I'm going to put money into it. There's only 3% left. You can see there, 97% sold, 3% left at the 65 cent level. Next level is 80 cents. So if you can get in there right away, you can get in at the 65 cent level. Okay, so here we are at November. So we're at the crowd sale. Okay, November, and then in December the OAC. That's what the acronym is going to be. They're going to be on exchanges in December. Okay, so that's when you're going to see a real jump in price. So when it hits the exchanges, the day of the exchanges, it's going to go up. Watch my cursor. It's going to go up like that. It's going to come down. It's go up like that, and then level off. It'll level off and then go up, start going up. Just like BitConnect. This is basically the same kind of coin as BitConnect coin. BitConnect coin is at $282 right now. It started at 16 cents on January 20th, 2017, and now it's at look at this incredible price here, $283 from 16 cents January 20th, 2017 till right now, November 5th, 2017, the same year, from 16 cents to this. Okay, and this is the same type of a coin as BitConnect. So the reason why BitConnect can go up like this without going over and is because it's a lending program, just like Oalend. I mean, it's called oacoin.com, but it's OAC is the acronym for OA Coin. Okay, Oalend Coin. So what the reason why it's BitConnect and this one are going to go up, or this is going to go up like BitConnect, is because people like me are going to buy the coin. I bought the coin at BitConnect at $105, and I immediately took the coin. This is my imaginary coin here. I immediately took the coin and I gave it to BitConnect. All my coins, $105 each, gave them to BitConnect, and they took the money, and they have a trading software that has a proprietary software with they've got a reserve fund in case their software doesn't make money. So they have money in a reserve fund in case that robot doesn't make money on certain days. They can top up the money so you never have a losing day. Okay, so they'll make me money for a certain term. After the end of the term, they'll pay me 1% every day that I can spend the day every money withdraw it. At the end of the term, they give me my principal back. I take the money, they pay me back in BitConnect coin. That's how they do it, and OA coin will pay me back in OA coin. I'll take the money, I'll give it back to them so they can make me more money and more interest and pay me daily. At the end of the term, they'll pay me back in BitConnect coin, and these guys will pay me back in Oalend coin the same way. I'll take the money and I'll take the Oalend coins and I'll give it back. They make me more money. This is exactly the same as BitConnect. What happens when they do that is that takes the coin out of circulation, sort of, so that there's less coins to be sold on the market because these coins are locked into a loan. That reduces the supply of coins that are on sale. That drives the price up. Another mechanism that drives the price up with this one is going to be staking. See here in January, web staking. What happens is, and it's the same thing as BitConnect. BitConnect offers web staking. They offer 8% a year at BitConnect. And what happens is people take their coin and they put them in a staking wallet, and they get 8% a year at BitConnect. Okay, so that they leave their coins in there to get 8% a year, and that prevents coins from going on the market for sale because they're being staked and they're being loaned. So there's going to be less coins on the market. It causes a scarcity on the market, and the price goes up because of that scarcity. That's why this coin is going up so fast. It's just constantly doubling and doubling and doubling and doubling. You'll see other coins, they'll go over. This one won't go over. This here happened when China, they banned exchanges in China, and everybody got, excited and sold, and that happened with all the currencies. But most currencies, you'll see them, they'll go over. With these lending coin programs with staking, even better. If there's two factors there, I want lending, staking, or burning. This has two of the factors that I'm looking for. This is what happens. Just a graph where it just goes doubles and doubles and doubles and doubles, and it goes up in price. And people start to see that. People who come to CoinMarketCap here, they see this and they buy into it. That drives up the price even more, and people continuously putting loans in. And that's what I think is going to happen with this coin. Okay, so all you have to do is look, you've got the staking and the investing for the lending here. Okay, Oalend ICO for investors, this opportunity to get the privilege as our co-funders. So you get to get in there at the IOC level. If for anybody who doesn't know what an IOC means, it's an acronym for initial coin offering, and it's the same thing as on the stock market. IPO, initial public offering, where you can get on the stock market, you can get into into companies that are going onto the stock exchange for a ridiculously low price. That's the same with ICOs, internet coin offerings. You can get in on coins that are going onto the coin exchanges for a ridiculously low price before everybody else does. And most people don't even know about ICOs. Most people that you see trading on exchanges, they don't even know about ICOs. That's why they're not participating in them. If they knew about it, they'd be in ICOs. Oalend Coin professional management team will carry on our work to accomplish the roadmap to increase the value of Oalend Coin, OAC, and our goal to be the world leader in coin market through targeted marketing channels. So they're gonna advertise this. Great. And they want to be the world leader? Good. They're setting their goals high. Okay, so this is going to be from November 1st to the 30th, and I think this is going to end early. So we're at the 5th rate now, and we're already near the second level is almost finished. So I think we'll be finished by the end of the week. This is a popular coin. I'm actually surprised how fast it's been going. So here's the first level already passed, 500,000. Now we're at the second, at the end of it. You can get in there if you rush. Third level is still good. Any level that you get in on this one is a good level. Okay, so I'm going to put money into this, just a little bit more right now, and I might put more in later. Okay, so the sooner you can get in, the better. But this, you can get in at any level of this and still make money. This thing, I think it'll go 100x within a year. It'll start off on the day of the sale, it'll go up, it'll come down, go up, come down. Probably when it goes on to the external exchanges, and then it'll level off. People put in their loans, start staking, and then it'll start going up, just like BitConnect. Okay. So there's an affiliate program if you like to, get people involved, and if you you'll get extra coins. If somebody orders coins, like 100 or 1,000 coins, you'll get a percentage. They'll get their 1,000, and then you'll get a percentage of coins. Like we'll take a look at it. Okay, here's the lending program. Okay, so it's the lowest amount for the lending program is 100. So if you put $100 to $1,000 into their lending program, where they got software to do trading for you on cryptocurrency markets, forex markets, and whatnot. That's how they do their lending program. They have a volatility software, and So if you put it in at this level, you'll have to leave it in for 239 days, and you get your capital back at the end, and you can take profit every day if you want. Okay, so the 1,010 to 5,000, you get an extra bonus 0.15% daily. This is huge. You can't get this at the bank, not even close. Okay, and you only have to leave it in there for 179 because there's more money. 5,010 to 10,000, they give you an extra bonus every day of 0.25%. That's huge. After 120 days, you get your capital back, your deposit. 10,010 to 100,000, you only have to leave it in there for 99 days. I like that. And you get an extra bonus 3% daily for having more money in it. Okay, so here's the Oalend bonus. So if it's 7% for the first level, 3, 2, 1, half, 0.3, 0.2. So it's pretty good. Okay, so how do you get into the Oalend lending program? You just have to register the account. If you want to get in on this, you can get in during the ICO or later on. It doesn't matter when you get into this coin. It still has the mechanisms of staking and lending. So at any point you can get into this coin. It doesn't matter if this coin is $100. It still has the lending and staking mechanism to make it go up. So whatever level you get into this, it doesn't matter. IOC, first level of the IOC, I got in at the second level. Third level's coming up. You can get in at the second level right now if you hurry. Okay, so here's the website. You're going to be able to go to the exchange there. You're going to have wallet support, news, transactions. You get your interest, do transfers to people, send money to people. This is a peer-to-peer coin. It's just as good as any coin out there that's peer-to-peer only. This has staking and lending. That's why I'm getting into this. I don't want just a regular coin that's gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen. It's only dependent on, you know, some coins are only dependent on advertising for them to go up. This thing has lending and staking, those mechanisms to drive up the price, and they're gonna be doing marketing. Okay, so there's lending here too. So that's the white paper. This thing is really good. It kind of reminds me of Western Coin. I'm in on Western Coin, and I'm getting paid. I did a withdrawal yesterday from Western Coin just to test. I didn't want to do a withdrawal, but I did a withdrawal anyways because somebody was asking me, were you able to do a withdrawal? So I did a withdrawal, and I did a big withdrawal from Western Coin. So there's no problem with it. If this is affiliated with Western Coin, it looks kind of like the same thing as Western Coin. If it is, I'm in. I like Western Coin, and I think there's lots of room for many of these trading programs. When you look at coin market cap, I mean, there's like 1,200 coins on coin market cap, over 1,200, and you know, there's only, I think there's 4 of them that are lending programs right now out of 1,200 junk coins. I call these all junk coins, not Bitcoin. But Bitcoin will be a junk coin eventually, maybe. I don't know what's going to happen with Bitcoin. What does Bitcoin do? Bitcoin doesn't do anything. You can do mining with Bitcoin, but does it have the 3 things that I'm looking for? Staking, lending, or burning? No, it doesn't. So Bitcoin is a great coin to invest in, but what about Ethereum? Okay, it's okay. It's an okay coin. Okay, you can get coins with smart contracts that have lending programs and burning or staking. So am I going to put money in Ethereum? No. Okay, I might buy Ethereum to get into an ICO, so I could do an ICO contract, but I don't know which way this is going, up or down. It's been up to 400, it's been to 300, it's been under 300, it just goes up. Look at this. Up, down, I don't know what's going to happen. It all depends on popularity, okay? With these lending, staking, burning coins, it doesn't depend on popularity. Advertising helps. Definitely helps. You got to have advertising, especially an affiliate program. These are really powerful, and that's what BitConnect uses, an affiliate program. Okay, so that's a bonus because people are talking to each other with affiliate programs, and this has an affiliate program as well. Okay, so that's why I got into this coin and why I decided I'm going to put a little bit of money in. I'm going to put about 10 or 15%. I'm thinking more like 10%. There's lots of coins out there I want to get into, and I'm going to build a portfolio. As I go along, I'm going to put a little bit of money into coins. Coins are going to start maturing. and I'm just going to put money from those coins that are maturing, and there's going to be my 10% is going to be a little bit bigger every time as I go along, as more and more of these coins start to mature. Now, if you want to get into this, it's your decision, okay? It's completely 100% your decision. If I could give you any advice on going into a coin, you don't need any advice. It's your money. But if I give you any advice, don't go over 25% on any one coin. I'm going to put about 10 or 15% of my money into this coin, and I'm going to put more money into other coins. If you put your money, spread your money into all kinds of coins, especially these lending coins that have, staking or burning in them, it's going to be hard for you to lose. If you go in with just one coin, that coin could fail. These coins are businesses, okay? You got to think of a cryptocurrency coin as a business. Do I want to invest in this business? You got to be like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett doesn't just invest in one company. He invests in lots of companies. Warren Buffett says you got to invest in 4 or 5 companies. You can't just invest in one, and you got to do your research on them to make sure you don't lose your money. And that's what you should do. Have a lot of coins. If you have a lot of lending coins, it's going to be hard for you to lose. If you have one lending coin, if this coin for some reason it doesn't get up and running because these guys don't know how to run business properly, you've lost your money. If you've got your coins in 5, you got money in 5 coins, and one of those coins fails, you still got 4 other coins that are making you money. That one coin out of 5 isn't going to break your bank. And if all the coins that I go into, they're all lending coins, and I've got one peer-to-peer coin, and I'm hoping that one, they advertise that one until it goes up and up and up in price. These guys are great at advertising at this one peer-to-peer coin I'm into, and that would be Electroneum. I have big, the only reason why I have big, I think this is going to go big, Electroneum, is because of their advertising. They don't have that mechanism in there, but they do have superior advertising to any other coin that I've ever seen. So that's why I'm into Electroneum, and let's do an Electroneum update right now. Okay, before we do the Electroneum update, if you need to buy some Bitcoins to get into this program, you need Bitcoin to get into here, okay? So what you do is just hit this wallet, and there will be a Bitcoin address. Send it into the wallet through that address. Just copy and paste it, send it in from your Bitcoin wallet, and then go to initial coin offering, press that, and buy the coins. All you have to do is type in the number of coins in US dollars. So if you want to buy $50 US worth, just type 50, and then the rest of the form will fill out, and then send, and then that's just how you do it. Go to initial coin offering. Yeah, first, I forgot about that. Don't go to wallet. Go to initial coin offering and buy it there. Fill out the form, say how much you want. Say if you want to get, say, $10,000 worth. Type in 10,000. The form will fill out. Press the button, and then they'll give you the address to send, the Bitcoin address. It's really easy. So some people are new to this, so when I got into this, I didn't know how to do this. I was like, what do I press? How do I do this? Well, go to there. Okay, so it's okay to be new. If you need to buy Bitcoin to get into this, you can go to localbitcoins.com. You'll have your Bitcoins within an hour. All you do is put your country, press search, and then you can type in the nearest city, and it's kind of tricky, but you can get into it. It's just like I got it. If you live in, say, Australia, you can put in Sydney. Okay, so then you just go to one of these, go to the 100%. If it says 100% beside it, go to it, and then just press it, and then you can contact them. Or you can go to Coin ATM Radar, and I'll put that down at the bottom, local Bitcoins and Coin ATM Radar. You can have your coins within an hour there. Let's say you live in Tasmania or New Zealand or Australia. Just press that button and it'll show you the directions, right? So you can go to the Best Western Plus in Tasmania, and it shows the address there, okay? And these guys are open 24 hours. You can go to Auckland, press there, same thing, it'll show you the address and everything, okay? So here we are, we're at 65 and we got 3% available, and if you rush you can get there. So that's why I'm getting into this coin. And here's the 16 cents to 282, which is what BitConnect is at right now. 282 started at 16%. That's 176,149% increase. That, okay, so that's what I think is possible with Oalend. It might not go up that much in 1 year. If it goes up 100x in 1 year, I'll be happy. Okay, so I thought I'd let you in on that, why I'm doing it. And remember, it's your decision. I wouldn't go in any more than 25% on any coin. I don't care how much I like it. I don't care how fancy the website is. I don't care if it's got trading and staking in it. It's still only maximum 25%. I'm going to put about 10 or 15% in this. This is a fantastic site. I think it's a good site. I think it's worth putting 10 or 15% of my money into it. So if you want to get into it, it's your decision, and I'd really appreciate it if you use this button down there if you decide to get into it. If I get a few people, you know, as long as in the end I get a few people that are signing up with me, I'll keep doing these videos and explaining why I'm getting into what I'm getting into. And you got to make your own decision. I'm not trying to convince you. I'm just telling you why. And if you want to, I'd appreciate you to use that link down there. It says Oalend Coin. And if you want to subscribe, there will be a subscribe button here, and there will be a subscribe button down there. And also, you know, if you want to be, you know, notified when these change from one level to the next, I usually will warn people so they can get in there earlier. There's a little bell button. It's a notification bell button beside the subscribe button down there. Hit that one, and up in your corner of your YouTube, you'll always be notified as soon as I put, you know, a video up. Also on my homepage, the Chief Bitcoin homepage on YouTube, this is Chief Bitcoin talking here, of course. There will be at the top of the page, there will be a notification bell button there too. You'll see it. So if you want to be notified as soon as I release a video, hit those buttons. I'd appreciate it if you use my link if you decide to get into this, and I want you to have a nice day.